soybeans are looking good. I think we have a good stand. I was in the truck when I filmed the soybeans the last time. They look pretty good now on the ground. They're still just coming up. Well, they've been up for a while, but they're really starting to put some good bushes on. Putting on some more leaves. Now, are you a soybean or are you an oddball? Oh, you're a weed. Okay, you gotta go. Fly, lead. Lead, weed. There is a good mini weed. And then, if we walk a pretty good ways up here, the plots are up here. Still walking. We're baling hay right across there, right across the woods. And this is the first cutting, so it's not doing too well. We'll have some good spots and some bad spots. Okay, we're almost to the block. And this is the game-changing one. You see, this is the regular variety that we planted here. And this is the plots. They look a lot better. And these are a bunch of different varieties. And this is the different variety. This must be not as fast of a growing variety, because that's that big and that's that big. And whatever happened there, I don't know, but don't blame me. And here, looks like there was too much oat stubble. But the oat stubble is a good cover. And I'll see y'all in the hayfield. We're back in the hayfield. I'm tying a bale now. Right now we're sitting at we're sitting at 382 bales, and that is including the 49 that I baled in, that we think Daddy is. Alright. That was Alice on the radio. We're dealing with some awkward situations because we have some in this field that's dry and some that's wet, so we're trying to decipher what we need to bale and what we don't. And did I say that we have 382 bales? And did I say that we have 382 bales and we're trying to, and we baled some and we baled 49 in like April? Anyhow, we did. This is the last field that we have to bale. It's a really big field, and we're hoping that we might can finish it today if it's dry. And I'll pop the camera on the baler and we'll catch some shots there.
Walking down the street, we get the funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We go wherever we want to, do what we like to do. We don't have time to get restless, there's always something new. Hey, monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We're just trying to be friendly. Come and watch us sing and play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say. Oh.
And we're still battling. It's like 5:45. We still have a good bit of daylight left. Right now we're at 400 bales on the dot. Well, that is including the 49 bales we built in April. And it's going on. Daddy is over there checking the moisture because we're trying to figure out if we can bale this or not. And he's still over there checking and checking and checking. That's all he's done since we started back about 4 o'clock. And John's over there I have no idea where in the world he's at. I'm just pretty sure he's in this field. Tractor's running good, it's not running hot. And this hay here looks pretty green. He says it's alright. I've heard that the limit is 15 of when your hay is key.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Oh, she blows up the radio. And yeah, the limit's 15. Not that we're taking this anymore, that's the limit there, but hay will keep that certain amount of moisture. And right now Alice has a bunch ahead of me. So, which I'm not too happy about that. But it is what it is. And I will catch y'all in a little bit. Okay, we are going on a mission. I don't know where we're going. Daddy just said follow him. I don't know where he's going. He's the little red dot ahead. It looks like a dot on camera, but it's actually really big to me. I can't get the camera to zoom in. And so I kind of feel like little Einsteins. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. And I don't know where we're going, so I gotta put the camera down and figure out where we're going. Well, the moisture was too high. We can't bale the rest of the field. That will be tomorrow. And so I think that's gonna be it for today. And we're out.